Want restaurant quality Korean cold noodles on a budget? This summer, we're elevating our cold noodle meal kits with these easy additions. First, cut a cucumber into thin strips. You can use any type of cucumber you prefer. Set it aside. Next, blend gochugaru, onion, garlic, soy sauce, green plum syrup, sesame oil, sugar, seasoning salt, corn syrup, and gochujang thoroughly to make a paste. Pro tip, letting it sit overnight will enhance the flavor and deepen the umami taste. Then, cut radish wraps into bite-sized pieces. Add a tablespoon of the paste and mix thoroughly. Next, cook the noodles according to the package directions. After cooking, rinse the noodles with ice-cold water. Strain the noodles and place them in a wide, large bowl. Add partially frozen noodle broth over the noodles. Finally, add pickled radish, cucumber, boiled egg, crushed sesame seeds, mustard sauce, and vinegar. Combine well and dig in.